Okay, therefore, let's go. Yenya Juman free ho. Na yenko yenima sante Kotoko hub. Ena yeru muina yen semino Asia no. I am one sports kwan suni live and clear crystal ewo GH Live Studios. Kizito Sports. Ena yatanasi and sempani non. Yade jomona sante Kotoko we won training. That is Friday. That should be a final training for the mid gamer Ebabe Toja weekend. Mediama and so okay, Aduana, fetch me. Yes, Aduana stars and so every one training now. Beyond that, the not crime come near ma a gunti. Ram two both camps. Now let us just a few obano. Yet are two and him MTNFA Cup winner at Waso a bokon and him kwaji trophy. Confederation Cup slot is a staker. Bibiano added the Dean Edema two teams. Now AGH Live Studios, Kizito Sports. I am Bobuano Quine so, and I had the Asia. We said so. I say on this edition, you better nam painting quaka crabby players be any players be and tower, Bampenny for resolve it. Ewo Tima, your friend is said Crobiama Poma Metema Santicotoco come. Adriana also come, you see, and to an intense
Sports time.
Locally accepted, internationally approved.
Studio present inside News of Ghana. Sports, more breaking news. More breaking
Locally
news.
accepted, internationally approved.
Subscribe, share with others. More breaking news. More breaking news. Around the world of sports. Subscribe, share with others. More breaking news. More breaking news. Around the world of sports. Subscribe, share with others. Sport time with Thank You Zito Club Studio. Presenting side.
Okay, sports time. Any answer here in some two anymore. Okay, Yanya Juma way. I bet I'm more situation, BBI calm and penny force and fan to and him say, BBI is under control. Come on, near my other than a community say name, loan dealer, Boboko, our Quesia came on Libya, no, Ediama Sante Kotoko, say, Quenya ebe dem said the water to Noah, and Yadi umbe hesitant. Now, Umbetwaso, any abet fantastic amwa aye Juma, Nemum say a cassa neomo terminating the contract. Compensation be soon not less than 40,000 US dollars. 30, 40, 50. Says Kamu back on Yaje. Ede Emma player and the abet amwana bibiano. Everyone couldn't be a soon to companion for any lawyers. Akukudam akabum kama bibia there the dean player no. Ewo good spirit. Aniama etum poman bibia and Sabemu or GDS and Yama betimia koso. But currently, or that's so any Libyan club no our contract and yema etumpo na Libya club no woman a new coach woman no and obai on so to see our top strikers minu and ababeka team no kama and a one midfielder and a one lateral defender or board number 3 and ababeka would tinti or my 4 major signings and ababeka umutim no and see it be a new coach yes na abet amwa Osha Avian Sanyani no on to me Remo and any pocket crowd quite so the Akoto companion for so Ebeji Oma dia some Dre Quans the Yatia no. Now I a permanent player Eddie Ama Sante Kotoko Sikabia Niwa come the so Mujabia free Libya for no maje Nemum Abet Amua and I say all things being equal Sasama Yakan Ebamua now officially one more I want to permanent Makotokwa. And yet we're entitled to 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. Emubako negotiable. Omudin komo yes negotiable. Na bibiano eto ja kama. Eno enche mo edema in a telephone to moi. Namobisa abet amo situation. This is the situation. He is enjoying the long stretch for Sante Kotoko. But at the end of the season, Kotoko ebe make a decision. Said nay, a team no penono or tanadia. Any emremuno. They signed a contract. They so JBiano. Obeji aman kunimdi buatimi akoso no enchemu kakra eto dwa Sante Kotoko aso ye and a Friday training atudwa more or less no training twatwo for Sante Kotoko enra one eba yonkia kansie ema omoto ntena hodo mienu ema team no enso team baako asante di nkunim Aduana Stars nso bobo low tempo game kakra ewo maso ya niema etimi etu mpon ede ma wo mo one player Steven Anochibedu edi nkomo one coach Sioba Aristika nso edi nsem kakra tudwa yebe rem ne ade ni nyina na to ani ba Kotoko camp ena de esi yenie training ekwoso kakra one famra one fan kono ena uhwemu a enei game no ekwa se players ni heat kakra ba wo the heat nenam ema bibia timi etu mpon na samba ena okache Prince Badu se Dogo Yakubu Dogo yes se na ibi a warrior no on correct no enti Prince J amanebo no edi free captain ho ena de ma Dogo ena Dogo nso sunobo ni nua no nyame anim nsama Dogo keka na nyensem papa enti Dogo umma me bonko komesa ema mesua subambo ni bia yes ukon ro na wabo no yehu bia ba di uba ekra nya nhye go nti Dogo wadaroma ene Aduana ba ebebo etu atena ne ehu se waba ebetena yempe mensem ene dwa ne ahomaso bia in as much as mpanyufo astro there ema Dogo omeki amens ema nei a chop pansa na so ka ede extra Prince Badu no ka kire no Prince eje correction message edi free samba ho wachi ena o ka se ka kire Dogo se onye sei ena Dogo nso to ne nsa ede extra no keka nsam a eni nsam fata se meka ewo mframam ede extra Prince Badu na ha dwen ye papa eno eya chewacho nsam kakra eto odwa ewo mu but mpanyufo asolve such situation no ama mpanyufo ekopie mu ewo training grounds eka se ye pa ede che players nsa master hayan tontew enya agro ni edio no ma ba ye nyambra nsem bia okun na ede yanim no eye okun kase Aduana ene ne kwa akodwe ne ana na ewia asi edukataka na nanom haso fokufo nso aka 10 good days ne no mo bo enti nya frɛ na wonua corrective a obaye ho penten kwasem bia ne adeade ma boy ne si ye nanamanimu a mesrɛ ka mo fa nchame akoma ne ne kɔ soro na mogya ne pompe ye na adrenaline ma me yes anti Dogo snowball ye me kofa nsam kakra by but west so you see na na nyenka snowball de nka nya hwe west no was really uncalled for say obeka sa edi acheni nua ono kwa aba besua bi eno no ba Dogo unya nuru ba bia offside goal kra win shebi nti yesro eni sanse muhunu ni biem nti sa ye de aba ebebo to pew amanema akwacho edi etia sana esi etie ewo mu it's good say mpanyefo atimi asolve ama bibia wie nkonimdie so ye de Aduana Stars train your mind this week nyina any practice ahodo no tactically adwumo de ba no ba beto anim na opponent watch when you be ashe but na penkra enso e de kakra to Kotoko place na ni wo mutwa kanko e na ogina mo mfimfini de o kan ye ni bi nie
obi France jebo ana bibi na wo kasakasa dabi o se mu sa mo wo park no so no mo team no o se mo your coaches among yourselves. You don't have to wait for directions from the bench. If you notice anything, correct it. Correct it among yourselves, especially the senior ones. Let's say a senior, the junior be catch you say, Kwame, I have fine, yet you say, that's over here. Maybe who am a catch a team manager, I'm final. End of month to Tsunami my final. Intimate level. Don't let this repeat again. Okay? I don't want to use the word you did or what you did. But you should know you are all brothers. You are all here for common purposes. You all came from your individual homes to achieve a target for Asante Kotoko. It's not for Prince, it's not for Baba, it's for everybody. When there's win, you all walk broad-chested, including the technical bench, everybody. When I'm going to the palace, I walk majestically when there's win. But when you lose, I have to pass behind the bars and be sneaking. Before anybody notice, I'm there, I'm sitting there. When we close before they notice, fly away. It's all because of this. Mushi Pando by Ebomi area by force. up to now, I'm to recover. And sometimes, Baba, Isa, any Alangadi, into the ceremony. Man, for say, beer, go no man or some shit. And now, born, we are now we buy the glory back on heavy. It's fast and Kotoko. And note, say, way, Uncle Ye, next week match, Uncle Ye, in some baby, in some baby, both playing body, technical management, everybody in some baby. And he said, one more question now. Yeah, from there. We feed no salaries, BBI, chairman, technical and social advice, BBI or coaching, so that we see it. Nam could do park, no more we need this year, was on better. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, Nana Pinkra, I could see a contom penny after hene cronidin and no and Nana Eddie hene kama or no, and a son Kotoko Timino, and then a Burma or Boaman cream dear boy a real payer, and a dogo asama kind on, or see Sudiama be a real payer, no, yes. Samba, a catcher prince, but it's a catcher dogo so when you say, and a dogo use F word, and the Emma, catcher friends of Prince Bedu, it was very, very unnecessary. Emma na 10 year kakra wom ena ene na pinkra no mu nyina wo ho ena ene wo mode ya futu e de Emma wo chairman of Osuware enso se o kakra kan
You are not happy at all. Kotoko is bigger than what we are. Better pick up players because I share all the matches. And better access will be a compare will be able to play it. Yeah. Actually, I say, money born about home. So why? Why?
chairman solo de no form but yemu kompon ko ya nimma bibia nwe peye wo se ohwemu a obetimi a kire se Kotoko players mu nim bobo esene FC Villagers bebre teams no nanso adan na mkokohia mu nuano ma wo for ba dia betom chalk na omo bob bepo ekotwa body ansa no mako training ansa no omo ba be hye mu e ba sa de ye omunyo enyenyenyenyenyenye a eni kwa se ye so somo so nti mo nsesa musuban na bibia ntimi nkoso na sade wonim no nyame boa na nkudimdie ba de a ene edibese osimwe dada ni pompompo ne nkugo ba fadua na ne house de anyame anim shake up ebe ba na so not even coach any players nko ye tete no kwa management nyina ija be hyemo enti nyasem kuma na da ho no kwasiada ene the next few days a day anim no ejetu ato nko a enti master Kotoko no nya chese minhu de menka enye nkwada team bi Aduana Stars are training massive throughout the week. Stormy Kumasi in Arebado Star. Womania Bresa Krodom. Ama Bosha ho do ayase womu so de eche kurei. No mania bre papa. Se omo so kwa Africa ni biye ba nya ye so de emom. De tie ni se Aduana aye training ahodo this week. Na said the monitor Heart of Lion training. Ede to wedim set pieces. Omo ye ho adwuma no. Na ampa omudi goals ebe share no. Mpanyufo antie no. Ana se dugout for na mfie no. We nso yamfa dia na dia nto animu en. Aduana ba kunie. Womo nso se ekwan na Lions fa so share no. Womo ahwehwe ho ne ma hodo kakra di nkomo mpo ede akọ Lions. Kotoko watamfo pa. Aduana di nkomo ede akọ Lions. Me mo papa bi adi eja wom dada. Na nkomo ma di akọ Lions no. Ntrekese ahodo nkomo ko so a ekwan a enso mo fa so na obutimi share Kotoko ni nyina no mo di afutuo edi free wo mo ho. Eno nten koda no si e bokona eni ade no eno nso omo ye hu training throughout the week. Free kick eba beda 18-yard box na no a ese goalkeeper oye owo ni ye kama coach ekwan ebia ese mo fa so na unnecessary fouls mo konkoyo mo make sure enam so ma practice free kick kese ebo eye se omo enya early goal study omo hwehwe no a ombe slow game ne down ene bebo be 30 minutes pe bebo to nchen sa yes nkomo ayadi ede free wana so ye eno no won bebo delay tactics enam so mo shase a One by your imagine say omo pege to atuo goal ba akubi. Na dia kana frustrate Kotoko. No matter any fans kakra beba no e de tia Kotoko. Enti this is opponent watch. This is Jehu. Lastly, throwing. So throw eba. Na idea ebe attacking throwing. Edime Diana long one. And we practice here. Say and also umbeto. Enti mo hwa na ma hwe ni yie. Na takra wo jembia ankwa ankosi. Eno eni chemu a eba Steven Anochi Bedu sahene ma Diana ninsem nie.
Oh, nyame ya aduma megidie na osuo hu no. Me de pa se osuo hu. Because Kotoko no yensuro mu. Eno mo so nsuro e. Nti yekohia sa na ma game no aye di. Nti nyame ya aduma ye be pese ye mo no e be buru Kotoko so. Am ye scoring no. Ye hwe no yensa timaka. Nti nyame ya aduma yekoyi Kotoko afrim nti ye supporters no bi anka na koma nto mu yem. No one for support ni yede nkoso anta echi nyame aduma ye dinkunim de be fi kuma se.
Okay, Steven Anochi Bedu and also scoreline no on fa aro nya hwe and also scoreline no omo ba be scoreline e wo kuma se yanso ye be score omo na aye Aaron L. Enti Steven Anochi Bedu by the way also mu nsuro ye and yanso nsuro omo enti ejatu ato den hwe ne kasa anu kra motivation behind the scene apostle. Coach Aristika Sioba
is working hard, is listened, and let's see Sunday who is play good football, win the game.
Coach, tell us your team news. Any changes from your last team? Any injuries, suspension?
Coach Sioba Aristika. And also the kakra to Jan.
No, the problem
Coach Subu Munakasa. Coach Dieni Buni Mubawa.
I hear from you.
No, the problem is not the problem. I am very happy. No have any player injury. No have any player yellow card. Let's selection the best player from this game, and the player need understand.
Okay. Coach, let's say only yellow card be accumulation of cards say be suspended. And now say pony player dear pra. One of the obono poke crowd. Na what me and the best out of the selection obeyo. Na oma baby din kunim ewu kumase. Enti ochame enim asemka. Aha, was say Kotoko players masumua. Kotoko company for masumua. Ya mount training omaye a free throwing. Ebesi you can say corner kick and a set piece around the 18-yard box on come up. And one more strategy, quick goal. Send your bayo, not the aka number frustrated. Near battle to throw no more slow game, no slow motion. Na oma twaso na better than no motion. Ama womo. There are two and him. The servo, the SOTBA from Aduana training grounds. SRD in Komoko Lions. Eko kutie Lions. So kwanya and trickers. Omo adamfo bi or technical bench wo. Hey, nipa nyo, omo nyina so asompan. Ema wa church omo de eso omo yo na bibia timi wie pay nti nkomo no. Enam de ama na santil so akasakasa ne ntokwa ekọ so nso ya bechirim de ama wo. Bare mpanyifo asolve ama bibia wie pay. Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yeni option bia than this FA Cup. And I'm saying league, you know. If you rush so ame, and no media tum, and the mame de ma phone. Enti we na ka. See a bonon kodene. Na ya de beyo. Ema nkudim di bo no eba. Ti bema mon kon kodim kunim say the match dey catch Black Stars for no. Na yenka se o say. Nti saa na mkotem pentin kwade a. Yenso ye beto aso na ye di nchemu a aba nyina no amamo. Mon franchise trim say nkugo ba enye good news. Enye good news. Both management, technical and some players. Nso Kotoko dia da bia enya scapegoat. Nti wa hwe ya ya do be scapegoat. Nti monyere mo hunkodi nkonim na yenyina ensresre na yenyu chinchinka. Baba ya Sports Stadium. And then come on in here. Training home come up. Opponent watch won't come up, and I'm just someone. You're queer.
Presenting side of the galley anywhere. The world of sports, subscribe, share with others. We are
Ella come my sunshine news of Ghana. I go one no face then now I be sent inside it.